Today we're learning PEMDAS. Let's begin. Let's see why having a fixed order is important. Here's an example that shows the problem. One student adds first. 6 plus 2 is 8, then 8 times 3 is 24. Another student multiplies first. 2 times 3 is 6, then 6 plus 6 is 12. Two different answers show why we must all follow the same rule. The rule we follow is called the order of operations, often shown as PEMDAS. It helps everyone solve expressions in a clear and consistent way. PEMDAS means parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Let's apply this rule with some examples. Here's a short expression to get us started. Using the order of operations, we first focus on the multiplication inside the parentheses. 2 times 5 gives us 10, so we update that part. Now the expression is simply 8 plus 10. 8 plus 10 equals 18. Great. Now let's try a longer expression. Now let's try a slightly longer expression and solve it step by step. We begin with the division, because division happens before subtraction and addition. 6 divided by 3 is 2, so we replace that part first. Now let's focus on the subtraction part. 20 minus 2. 20 minus 2 becomes 18, leaving us with 18 plus 4. Now we finish the expression by adding the last two numbers. 18 plus 4 equals 22. Excellent. Now let's review the key ideas. PEMDAS gives us the correct order to solve expressions step by step. Multiplication and division are handled from left to right. Addition and subtraction also go from left to right. Parentheses always come first. They show what to solve before anything else. Try solving this expression on your own. Think about which operation comes first. Here's the solution. 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 4 plus 7 makes 11. Great work. Let's try one more. Here's another one for practice. Pause for a moment and think about which step happens first. Let's check the answer. 8 times 2 is 16, and 30 minus 16 is 14. Awesome work! You're getting better at solving expressions every day. Great job today. Tap subscribe, and see you next time.